Strong customer relationships are vital to the bottom line of any business, regardless of industry. How can you have a more responsive customer service solution that adapts to your clients' needs as well as government regulations? How can you consolidate multiple document composition systems into a single solution that offers multi-channel distribution such as mail, fax, email, and text messaging? How can you reduce your maintenance costs while offering improved customer service? The answer? Napersoft CCM, Customer Communications Management Software. Napersoft CCM is a complete browser-based solution for the composition, distribution, management, and archiving of customer correspondence. Simply put, it's middleware designed to replace multiple legacy correspondence systems and streamline your company's existing business functions into one easy-to-use application, no matter how big or small your organization may be. So what makes Napersoft CCM different? IT departments can easily integrate the software within existing line of business applications, such as policy administration or customer relationship management, enabling users to work seamlessly within those systems. As a result, line of business users do not need to switch between applications when composing a document, and clients have the ability to access specified information online without having to talk to a representative. Authors can leverage the formatting features and styles supported by Word to create templates and content objects, including prompts, paragraphs, and images. This results in a very small learning curve for your staff. Additionally, the CCM platform is completely automated, walking users through the template creation and document composition process step by step. Napersoft CCM is powerful customer communications management software, and its reliability and easy integration make it the best out-of-box solution for your organization. Now that you know what Napersoft CCM does, let's see how it works. The Napersoft platform is based on 4 primary workflows: compose a document, work in progress, search archive, and compose multiple documents. Meet Susan Smith, a customer service representative at a major insurance company. Susan has just received a call from Mr. Kevin Turner regarding a change of address. She is currently viewing her line of business application screen. In order to access Mr. Turner's records, she must enter his customer identification number. Once entered, Susan changes Mr. Turner's address in the company's CRM. After the requested change has been made, Susan clicks on the Select link to send a confirmation to Mr. Turner. Since Susan is a new employee, she's not yet familiar with all the templates and chooses to preview them as PDFs. Upon viewing the selected template, Susan realizes she's looking at the wrong template and clicks the Next button in the top left corner to cycle through the templates. From here, she selects the template entitled Change of Address. Now that Susan has found the template she's looking for, she clicks Next to compose and personalize the template. As you can see, specific elements are dynamically linked into the template, including the company logo, a salutation, information regarding Mr. Turner's change of address, and a valediction with Susan's name and job title. Susan has reviewed the personalized document and is happy with how it looks, so she selects Next to continue down the workflow. She is given the choice of where and how to distribute the personalized document. Mr. Turner has asked for his confirmation to be processed and delivered immediately. Furthermore, he mentioned that he has yet to move into his new home and would prefer it to be sent to his email. All Susan has to do is mark the document for distribution and select the email method. She also chooses to archive the document. A few weeks later, Mr. Turner calls back to request a policy confirmation. Again, Susan chooses the Select workflow to choose a template. However, this template is a bit more complex than the previous template and includes additional paragraphs that have been approved by the template administrator. Susan selects the appropriate paragraphs and clicks Next to proceed. Now it appears that one of the paragraphs Susan selected contains a prompt variable. The prompt variable is her phone extension within a paragraph requesting that Mr. Turner contact her directly. Susan is prompted by the system, enters the information, and clicks Next to continue. This brings up the final personalized document for her to review. Once she has finished reviewing the document, Susan is presented with her distribution options. However, this time, she marks the document as work in progress, seeing as she needs to research some other information and add it to the document. Later in the day, she begins a work in progress workflow. In her inbox are all of the documents marked as work in progress throughout the day. In this case, it's just Mr. Turner's policy confirmation. At this time, Susan chooses to review the document again and add a paragraph describing her findings with regards to Mr. Turner's question. She opens the document in Word, allowing her to make the necessary change. Notice that she's only allowed to make edits to those areas of the document that don't have restrictions placed on the template by the template administrator. After editing the document, Susan saves her changes and processes the document. 2 days later, Mr. Turner calls back because he has not yet received his policy information. Susan accesses the archive and does a content in context lookup for any communication that has gone to Mr. Turner in the past 30 days. On this screen, Susan can see that Mr. Turner's policy information was mailed out to him 2 days ago. Sensing that Mr. Turner wants it now, she decides to resend the document for immediate delivery to his email, so he does not have to wait. While she has him on the phone, Susan also explains to Mr. Turner that he can access these documents online through their corporate website. Like any secured website, Mr. Turner is prompted to enter his ID and password. Once he is authenticated, the company's website makes a framework SOA call into Napersoft CCM through the web service to retrieve the same content in context archive list for Mr. Turner. Now he can see all of the correspondence that has been sent to him, and with a click of a button, view and print all the individual documents. In the future, this will benefit both Mr. Turner and the company because he can access information at any time from anywhere without having to contact the customer service center. In addition to doing on-demand customer service, Susan is responsible for the batch processing of particular documents. In this case, it is notifying customers that their payments have not been received for policy renewal. Once authenticated into the system, she's presented with a list of different applications to select. She selects the policy renewal application and continues. Within this application, she can see that there are 586 customers that this notice needs to be sent to. She selects the proper template, overdue payment, and all necessary content is loaded, merged in, numbers are formatted, and dates are determined. Once the documents are processed and reviewed, Susan simply clicks Next and the batch is composed, distributed, and archived. As you can see, whether it is an interactive, on-demand self-service or batch processing customer communication solution you need, Napersoft CCM has the ability to streamline your business processes. Out of the box, Napersoft CCM offers a powerful customer communication management tool that can increase your company's productivity by up to 80% and is easily integrated into your existing system. The result? An easier way to administer business processes, adhere to regulatory standards, reduce maintenance costs, and most importantly, improve customer service. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Napersoft CCM, please contact a Napersoft sales representative or email us at sales@napersoft.com or visit our website at www.napersoft.com.